Hey guys, Slopes here, and welcome back to another video on Geometry Dash. Today we are going to be playing on WorstGDPS, which is a server where only bad levels get rated. Today I wanted to try something different with my content, and wanted to try and make a joke level. It's going to be a multi-part series, and hopefully it's not going to be a horror show. And yeah, without further ado, I guess let's work on this. So first off, I'm going to be using just a random song that I'm going to pick. Let's go with number 69. Perfect. Now one thing that I want to do for this level is try and work on making it effect based like I do with most of my levels here. Overall, just make it pretty unique compared to what I normally do. So what I want to try first is make some gameplay, obviously, and then add some effects to that. Hopefully I'll be able to get one part done by the end of this video. If you're wondering why this part is completely sped up, it's because gameplay making is absolutely boring. So there's like no talking over this. So I'm just gonna skip it to when I start decorating the level. Hope you understand. Surprisingly, that only took 5 minutes exactly. Wow. Very, very good. Now I just need to work on the effects that I'm going to use. So the first thing I want to do is, first off, I'm being very redundant, put everything on editor layer 1 that isn't the first blocks that I'm going to use, and then these blocks can go on editor layer 2. And then layer 2 will be 3, because then I can take each one of these blocks, put it on a different group, and then move it a layer, like this. So if I put this on like different color group, and then I put that on like 180 to add this like glitch effect type of thing, then I'm just gonna make a quick spawn loop, because now we don't have to use an overabundant amount of triggers for this one effect that barely works for the gameplay. Speaking of which, this gameplay doesn't work, so I gotta fix that. Okay, I think one thing I want to do is add a extra thing here. Okay, the next thing I want to do is add some pulsing blocks to add some dynamics. So what I want to do for this specific section is add some pulsing blocks and make them like fade in and fade out. It's super simple. All you need to do is just get a pulsing block. I'm going to use actually this green color. It's going to contrast with red and blue pretty decently. And then put it on group 5. I just have this. Now we build helper each one, and then just do this until we have scale 50. Or until we get like a decent place to stop, which I think that's good. Now for these, I don't really want to make a spawn trigger since this actually would be faster. But you know what, it works and that's fine. Probably optimize this to have a spawn trigger later, but for now. And I think I'm actually going to change the hues on some of this, so it looks kind of like this. I'm unaware if this is what I'm supposed to be doing, but we'll see. I can just copy and paste this, and this is a block. This is a block design kind of thing. Don't you love it when you're half looking at the editor and you have no idea what the hell you're doing? Anyways, I'm just going to copy and paste this using preview mode because it's basically impossible to do, or at least to see the blocks on normal, so that's going to be fun. Alright, let's see how that looks in normal mode. That works, that works, that works. Now I just need to make some extra details and we'll be good. I think one thing I want to do is use, these blocks right here. I don't know why, it just feels like I can make a block design with them. Is it gonna be bad? Yes, that's the point. Maybe that could work? Yeah, that works. This is exactly what I want to do. I'm probably gonna have to cut all of that out because I was on mute for a little bit, which is great. I can add some more pulsing blocks to this and make it work probably like that. So the next thing I want to add is some extra details to the blocks. I know I keep saying this, but like, these are bland as hell and they need extra detail. This just gives it some texture on the top. There's nothing really special in this part. It's just me placing down blocks. I'm gonna be fully honest. Oh my god. Okay, so unfortunately, the second half of this video corrupted, so you're gonna have to suffer through only 5 minutes of video. Which sucks, honestly, but you know what? It happens. I wish this didn't happen, honestly. I'll try and find a way so this doesn't happen when I edit videos and create them over winter break, but it's a little annoying. So here's the final product. What I mainly did is I added some saws, I added some background details, which is just moving exponentially. So like the first layer is moving 1111 on the x-axis, second one's 2222, etc. And that goes for 4 layers. So if you want a further explanation of that, I might make a video on it, but it's not really that necessary. So here's the final product. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this. This recording session's gone on for way too long for a 6-second level. But I really hope you enjoyed this. This is my first time trying something in this specific category for YouTube videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Hopefully this footage isn't complete garbage.